Okay, this is Tyler. I'm going to start by going ahead and programming the device. So now that that's programmed, as far as the code, I have 4 states. The idle state that goes to the number state, that goes to the check state, that goes to the display state. I probably should have made the display state part of the check state and had it be 1 state rather than 2, but I did it this way, and if I were to do it again, I'd make sure to make that correction. And then we have RSEG7, which is going to be the display. I had 0, go ahead and start at 3 and go up to 12. Therefore, I could use 0, 1, and 2 for the guesses of rock, paper, or scissors. So that brings us to guess. Inside of the guess, we have the idle state, which creates a random number. And then we go to the number state where you can input your guess. And upon inputting your guess and pressing the key, the upper key, I can't quite remember which key it is, you can go to the next state, which will go ahead and check your guess. So if let's say you have rock to rock is going to be a tie, rock to paper you're going to lose, rock to scissors you're going to win, sort of deal. So that is where this is all implemented. And then in the display state, it goes ahead and increments the win or loss display. And outside of it all, I have a reset. So if you go ahead and flip switch 1, you can go ahead and reset everything. And then we have the clock divider, which is going to be the same as the one that we used in class and the one for project 3. Except it is set so that it's about a second, and then we have the clock divider S, which is a structural implementation of the clock divider. It acts exactly the same, except it's structural. So, as far as the game itself, we have the dash here to let you know that you are currently in the initial state. You can press the key to go to the next state. And these will become dashes to let you know that you can guess. So you can change your guess. Let's say I want to go with scissors. We can go with that. The FPGA chose scissors as well, so LY for a tie. Nothing happens if I go ahead and continue. So now we're back into initial. Let's go to guess. And let's go with rock. Rock is going to lose to paper, so we have a loss. All the LEDs turn off to let you know that that's happened. And we will see that the loss has incremented. And I'm going to leave the guess as that and see if we could get a win. So now we have rock and scissors showing that we have a win, and the LEDs go ahead and start flashing. And I can go ahead, wrong button, go to the next state, and we will see that the win increments. So I'm just going to go through this real fast a couple more times and see if I can get them to increment a couple more times, and you will see that they continue to increment. And then we have the switch right here. It does not matter which state you're in, you can go ahead and switch that on and it will reset it, and then you can go through again, and let's see if I can get another win or loss, and you will see that it will increment again. So you can reset at any point during the gameplay, and it will increment the loss if you lose and the win if you win. And your guess is displayed here. The guess of the machine is only displayed after you have made your guess, and these last 2 displays will let you know which state you're in, or if you have won, if you lost, or if you tied. And that is all there is.